In this tutorial, you will learn how to turn off annoying notifications, extend your iPhone's battery life, and bring some peace back into your day. To better control notifications and extend your iPhone's battery life, open the Settings app, tap Notifications. In this tutorial, I am using an iPhone 16 running iOS 18.5. Swipe down to see a list of apps with notification permissions. Go through each app one by one depending on the number of apps listed. Tap on the app for which you want to customize notification settings. In this example, I'll use ChatGPT. If you don't want to receive any notifications from this app, turn off the Allow Notifications toggle. If you still want to receive notifications, leave the toggle on. Then, under the Alerts section, choose where notifications should appear: Lock Screen, Notification Center, or Banners. To reduce distractions and save your iPhone's battery, select only one alert type, for example, Notification Center, and turn Sounds off for that app. If you use a Mac, I suggest enabling the toggle for Show on Mac. When you are signed in with the same Apple ID and have iCloud and Handoff enabled, your iPhone alerts like messages or reminders can show up in the corner of your Mac screen while you work. Repeat these steps for each app on the list. This helps prioritize only important notifications, reduce unnecessary messages, alerts, and distractions, and enhance your iPhone's battery life. However, turn it off if you don't want to receive notifications, want to reduce annoying distractions, or save your phone's battery. Some apps also let you show badges, those small red circles with numbers, for unread messages or updates. You can turn this off, but I personally find them helpful and leave them on. To access the notification center anytime, swipe down from the top left corner or center of your screen. This is a convenient way to check notifications without keeping your screen constantly active. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on my profile picture and sharing the video links with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.